how to turn on, hide IP address, and block all remote content to prevent mail activity tracking on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Mail. In here, swipe up to go down and tap on Privacy Protection. Next, if you turn on Protect Mail Activities, these options are turned on by default. However, you can switch them off, and in here, you can choose to turn on or turn off Hide IP Address. So if you want to hide your IP address, switch it on. If you want to block all remote content, you can also turn it on. This can help you prevent tracking of your mail activity. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.